So I want to make this very short video just about lighting. Like, this video is pitch dark because there's light coming only from above. Now I'm going to turn on a few lights and then you're going to rate how I am grading my whole lighting and everything in the comment section. Let's turn on the first light. Now this light is supposed to represent my key light, right? My key light that is angled at 45 degrees. Let's turn that on. Now that's my key light is up. That's the ring light. I'm going to show you all of these lights at the end of the video. That's the ring light. And now I need some background lights. All right, I don't just like the way it is. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Wow, now we have two lights. All right, okay, this is looking pretty good already, but I can still do more because there's this light coming from here and there's this light behind me and making this reddish hue on my face. I need a backlight. Like, I don't know, you call it backlight on your phone, but this is a rechargeable bulb. I'm going to turn this on and put it behind me. Ooh, that's really bright. You should not get this kind of light in your videos. Imagine I put it like this and see, this is how bad it is. Now I'm just going to keep it somewhere where it's going to come up. Okay, now that light is behind me and making my whole video stick out. I'm going to on one more thing. I need the blue hue. Let me get that blue hue. Now if you notice, I have the blue light, I have the red light, I have a key light right here, and I have this small white light. This is where I show you which of the lights I'm using and how I angled all of them, or how I place them in a particular angle. This light is coming out. Let's hide it. I just want it to shine just behind me. Alright, so now let's show you guys the light. This first light here is just a normal light. There is nothing special about it. See, it's just this light. Now I'm going to show you the ring light that is acting as my key light. Now this is what it looks like. That is the ring light. Alright, now if this video was helpful to you in any way, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel to get notifications for more videos like this, and then please watch this video that YouTube says is going to help you. It is really going to help you. I'm waiting for you to click it. Alright, cheers.